Okay, so we've had a little bit of a change of plan. We decided we're going to go up to the Hardknott Pass now because we haven't had enough of walking up hills yet. So we're going to walk up there, and there's a really nice Roman fort up there, see, isn't there?
Yeah.
That'll be good.
We're already
soaked anyway, so why not?
And we're close to the path, so
we might as well just scurry up there. It'd be a shame to walk past it when it's just half a mile away.
Yeah, and we're wet anyway.
We're wet through anyway. We'll see. Right, see you at the top.
Get to the Scaffold Pike?
No, it's Hardknott Pass. Last stop, I can't tell you.
Supposed to be climbing the Scaffold Pike.
And if you get to the top of here and realise it's not it, then have to come back down again.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Anyway, good luck going up there today. I think you can get there along the... Oh, that's up there as well. Okay, so now we're at the top of Hardknott Pass, where there's a Roman fort. Here's all the gumph about it. 500 soldiers apparently. So that'd be nice. And this is what they woke up to most days. It's keeping you cool today, don't it, Sky? Well, so as you see, coming out of the fog, you can see the wall of the fort. And a hell of a wall it is too. How thick that wall is. How well made it is as well. How much effort they put into it. So 500 Dalmatian soldiers from the Balkans would have lived up here back in the day. And there's not a lot for them to do. Oh look, here's the badge, what it used to look like. It's quite a place. And there's still quite a bit of it left on the ground. There's walls all up there on the horizon there. And the walls that side as well.
A clear day.
Last time we come up here it was clear, wasn't it? But I'd imagine this would be what it looked like for the soldiers up here most of the year. Here's what's left of a building. If nothing else, the Romans knew how to do bricklaying. So this is the Principia, or the headquarters. This is like the office for the fort. And you see that way there's another gate outside. We're walking through the area here, and you can see where there were some offices and rooms, the doorways in them. That. Probably some officer wondering what he'd done to deserve this. So this would have been where the commanding officer lived. You can see what's left of it, that little bit there, which is what we can see here. So it's quite a big house, really. At the moment we are just surrounded by clouds. We're right up in amongst the clouds now. And we're coming to this gate so we can have a look, see what we're going to see out the gate. More clouds. So that way somewhere is Scarfell Pike. But not that you can see it today. Those Dalmatians must have loved it there, thinking, what a view. You can't even see the other side of the fort at the moment, it's just the cloud. This bit here would have been a tower. This is the rest of it.
From the wall, just going around the top of the wall, so there's no ground access.
There's a brickwork involved. Lasted 2,000 years. Nicely dressed bricks. All cut out of the local stone, I'd imagine, but all dressed. Built to last. There used to be a walk around the top of the wall. I'm sure we'll find out how high the wall used to be. There's a view down.
You're not walking along the water here. You're not a Roman soldier, are you?
Another gate. Just how thick the walls are. Sonya stood in front of it. You can see just how thick they are. Sonya 4 scale. Teddy 4 scale. Yeah, all this so the Romans could protect the route from the coast of Raven Glass to inland. Impressive stuff. Now, competition time. Which dog do you think, this breed, was built for endurance? Was it this one? Or this one? Poor Ted. He's got to be part of the Roman fort now, please. Poor Ted. Go home, Ted. You don't mind doing a bit more, do you? There you go, a bit more. Good gal. Answers on a postcard. Okay, and a little way away from the fort, we have this. What the Romans were quite well known for. The bathhouses. There's your cold plunge. There's your warm room in here. And you come through to your hot room at the end. The Romans are doing this 2,000 years ago, and it's all starting to become a thing now with your cold plunges and your saunas and stuff. And the Romans were doing all this 2,000 years ago. There you go, there's a little round room just on the side of it. I think maybe some sort of sauna or something, maybe. But the Romans loved a bathhouse. Same place, different day, and a lovely day today.
Beautiful day. I can only imagine what the lovely views would be up at Hardknott Pass today.
But we're not going to find out today because we're just going on just a little walk this morning to try and find this waterfall we looked for yesterday.
And hopefully not get too wet.
Hopefully not get too wet, and then we're moving on again this morning. But where to? Where to?
Not your question.
Ted's fed up of walking, apparently. Ted, come on.
First thing in the morning and he's done nothing.
Come on, Ted. Teddy. Let's go, Ted. You don't mind, do you? You're a good gal. Come on him. Get Ted. Come on, Ted. You tricked Mummy. Did you trick her? One thing we have found is you've got to have your map reading skills about you in the Lake District, don't you? Because they don't signpost stuff
No.
brilliantly. So you've got to have a map with you
And you need to look at it regularly because somebody doesn't have seems to backtrack and do extra steps, which Ted gets very unhappy about.
There are little tracks that go off here, there and everywhere, so you think you're going in the right direction. And very often you've missed the trail, the one you want, which is the main trail, but it doesn't always look like the main trail. So, yep, there we are. Some tree stump that everyone's shoved coins into for some reason. No one knows why.
Another one the other day then.
Over there in the distance you can just make out the road, and there's a car coming there, you might be able to see glinting. But a little dimp in the top of that hill, that was Hardknott Pass where we were yesterday with the Roman Fort. So a lot better views from up there today. Oh, can you? Okay. Yeah. Okay, I can't see it on the video, but okay. Okay, I'll zoom in a bit. We might be able to see it. It's not brilliant on the digital zoom, but I think we can make it out a bit better. There's another good bit about this campsite. They do hot sausage rolls and Cornish pasties and all sorts of things. You have to wait a little bit for them because they heat them up from fresh or something probably, but yeah, they're very nice, aren't they?
Very nice, very tasty as well. We've got another one this morning.
Yep.
To head us off, get us sorted for our 5-hour drive. This is the facilities block with everything you need. You've got the reception there. Everything's all in the one block. The ladies' toilet. There's a disabled toilet and a baby changing room. Men's toilets. Washing up area with information. I'll show you in here. Sinks. There's a nice chest freezer there, which is really handy because you can put your freezer ice packs in there. Some more sinks around here. And then being in the Lake District, this is very handy. A drying room, laundry. Nice and warm in here, so you can dry your clothes, wash your dryer, somewhere to stick your boots as well. And the most important resource of all, a dog wash, which we've come to realise is something that's really important on all your trips.
play area for kids as well. Climbing thing, salt cool type caper. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. We always love going to the Lake District. And if you wouldn't mind just having a look at some of our other videos, leaving a comment, and as usual, the like, subscribe thing would be good. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.